Sharda Chandrasekhar, Senior Executive and Business Coach, Faculty of the Coaching Foundation of India and part of their assessment forum for accreditation of coaches. With 2 decades of corporate experience in key functions, she has been involved in strategic restructuring of the organization into profit centers. She has a background in psychology, has traveled widely, and is fluent in English, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu.
I'm an executive and business coach. The reason? I'm a good listener. People come to me and share their problems and challenges. I truly listen to them, empathize with them, offer new perspectives, and help them find their own solutions.
Sharda has been an internal coach certified in principles of learning organization. She has facilitated change management workshops and visionary leadership programs, which have enabled strategizing and drawing action plans.
Sharda, one of our coach, she has really helped us and helped the coachee also transform and to manage the 800 people strong production team in Integra very well. We are very happy with that.
Over the years, I have worked with several people in key functions like execution, sales, operations, marketing, and finance across a cross-section of businesses like publishing, manufacturing, IT, banking, and software. I've dealt with people with different coaching needs. People who have a need for performance enhancement. They're ambitious but not assertive enough. They're capable but struggling to take decisions. There are people with developmental needs, people who are making role transitions or moving to higher leadership positions.
One of our senior lady manager, earlier she was handling a production in India, and we have deployed her to handle global operations. She was able to transform very well, and today she is able to confidently manage our global operations. And in this case also, Sharda has helped her and to transform, to manage the coaching, and we are very happy with that.
Coaching for Sharda is for skill development, executive presence, performance enhancement, role transition, competency building, and leadership development.
Sharda is very approachable. She is empathetic, and coaches are very comfortable working with Sharda.
Her understanding of context, crucial to coaching, is the result of years of experience in the corporate world.
Coaches, in their own words, they have forwarded to me. I just want to read out. Enjoyed working with Sharda as she had helped me to open up and talk more.
She made me think deep about myself and find the gaps in me.
She has a very good knowledge and insights with respect to building relationship with people. She had helped me to improve the relationship with my family members.
She urges me to get results quickly. She has helped me derive short-term and long-term goals.
She helped me recognize my aspirations.
With all these people, I had intense conversations. For coaching is about powerful conversations, not offering solutions. It is being a sounding board, a mirror for self-reflection. And self-reflection for me is through yoga.
Her rich explorations in yoga have enabled Sharda to look deep within and beyond her coachees to help them transform themselves into beautiful, productive, and fulfilled human beings leading meaningful lives.
I have explored yoga for years, and it has helped me to look within myself and enable my coaches to look within themselves. I've had a long innings in the corporate world, and I know what leadership challenges are and what contemporary work realities are. By this holistic approach of mine, I'm able to facilitate my coaches towards high impact solutions.
When I met one of the coach's wife in the shopping center, she shared she's very happy with whatever coaching is happening. It's not only transformed in the professional area in the office, it's transformed in the personal life also. This is a highlight of this coaching.
My work is with you, your performance, your well-being, to help you realize your potential, your aspirations. That's my passion. All my coaches have this to say. I wish coaching had come my way much earlier. Whoever you are, whatever is your issue, I am confident I can make a difference.
Sharda Chandrasekhar, Senior Executive and Business Coach,